Hey, bro, she ordered an 8 ounce, right? I put it on the scale. Only came up to 6 ounces.
Got you, buddy.
Bro, where the fuck my noodles at, folk?
Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
You like that food, don't you? I put my Buddha hole in it.
I've been stung by a wasp!
Hey there.
How you doing tonight, sir?
Good.
You have any idea why I pulled you over?
Is it because you think I'm cute or the dead body in the back of my car?
I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the
Oh,
vehicle.
it's a joke.
Yo, come. Yo, bro, you think you can shovel with me real quick? I gotta go in my house to get something. Bro, what? I don't even know you. Bro, you don't know me. I don't know you, bro. It don't matter, bro. Let me go in my house real quick. Just shovel with me real quick, bro. I got you. I go. Bro, what you doing? Oh! I thought you was coming back outside. Thank Allah! It's cold outside. Like, you see me chilling right now? Oh, you see me drinking my hot chocolate? Why you think I'm coming back outside for? You bugging out.
Bro, what? That's water, bro. Stop it.
Bro, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. You want to get it, bro? You want to get it?
Yo, I can never be a teacher, ever, I swear. One time I failed one of my tests, and I was like, ugh, I'm so stupid. And my teacher was like, no, you're not stupid. Like, it was just a hard test. You'll do better next time. Girl, if the roles were reversed, if I was the teacher, ugh, I hate children. I'd probably get my license revoked for, like, verbal abuse. So this is your test. You did fail pretty badly. Like, did you even try? I'm confused.
I'm so stupid.
True. Yeah, retweet.
Retweet?
Oh, it's like a 2020s thing. Anyways, you know the movie Dumb and Dumber? Yeah, you definitely fit in. You could be like dumbest or something. I don't know.
What?
Sorry, not really.
You can't say that. My mom's a lawyer.
Okay, your mom's a lawyer. Okay, how does she feel knowing her son's too stupid to follow in her footsteps? God, I'm on a roll today.
When you pull up to your boy's house, but so did his mom, and you weren't prepared to meet her yet.
I'm nervous, bro. Oh, I don't want to meet her. I'm scared. I don't know. Do I bring the booze? I don't know. That's what I'm worried about. I think I heard a car door though. He's gonna be like, what are should we just leave it in and bring it in a little bit? Yeah. Okay, but I want my nerve.
God, man, I cannot get Titan out of the garage no matter what I do. And I physically cannot pull him out of there because he weighs more than me practically. It's the only way to get him out. Titan, come here. Bring your fat ass. Since you won't get up, come on. Let's go. I got to open the door and you're going to run out of here like your life depends on it. Come on, go. Dog tour. Good dog tour. Oh, my God. Dog tour. Watch out. Ha, dummy. You don't even get the treat because you're a bad dog. No. Back up. Back up, dog tour. You had enough treats today. You're a bad dog. It's not that. That's going to hold up. He's going to ram it down with his head in a minute. He was literally laying there and I couldn't drag him out because he's too heavy. He's just growling at me as I'm trying to drag him out. Drag out all 140 pounds of pure love. And it goes back into his favorite Treato bag. Frickin' dog tour Titan.
What's one ability you think you have that if you told somebody, they would look at you like you're crazy?
I have super hearing. So when I was a kid, I started noticing that I have all this ringing in my ear and I can hear different frequencies. So my parents took me to the doctors about it. The doctors tested me and I could hear every single frequency. And then they were like, yeah, she has tinnitus. We don't have any medicine for it. We don't know how to fix it. So just pretend it doesn't exist. Maybe she'll forget about it. I can't forget about it. I hear it constantly, especially in silent rooms. The ringing is so loud. It gets so loud that my ears sometimes deafen. I can hear weird whispering. Like I can hear someone talk about something else like far away. I can hear electronics. I can hear phone chargers. I have to unplug the phone and the charger itself from anything it's in because I can hear it so loud. And now I can hear earthquakes. That one's more recent. I've heard 3 earthquakes now. I can hear the frequency before it happens. First time it happened, I was at home and I was like, what is that new frequency? And all the animals started freaking out in my house. Boom, earthquake, immediately.
Hey, wake up. You're free to go. What? Why? Somebody bailed you out. What? But I don't even know anyone. Who the fuck are you? Emmett. Okay, Emmett, did you bail me out of jail? Yeah. Well, why? I wanted to show you my hat. You bailed me out of jail because you wanted to show me your hat. Yeah, I just bought it. Wasn't my bail like $20,000? 25. So do you like it? No, not really. No. Fuck.
Is that my money?
It's your money.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hunter! Hunter! That's not real. Please tell me you didn't do that. It's gotta be fake.
They're real.
Oh, shit. Hunter, why? Hunter? No, it's not okay.
New car?
Yeah, the door actually works.
Oh, I'm actually more of a Ford Focus girl.
You don't like the car? Well, you crashed my other Ford Focus. What do you want me to do?
Well, this is a real downgrade.
But the car can fly.
What the fuck is that?
This nigga Mark made this shit, nigga. I'm running up, that's on my song.
Honestly, get the fuck out.
That you have.
Okay.
Thank you kindly.
You're welcome.
But I'm going to have to order one more thing on that second order.
All right.
If you can give me just one Oreo Blizzard, add strawberries and cookie dough, and a little walnut for me, please. Blend it up real good. I'll take a medium. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you're gonna have to repeat it for me. So medium Oreo.
That is correct.
And what else did you want in it?
Add a little cookie dough and strawberry and walnut, please.
Strawberries, cookie dough.
And walnuts.
And we got pecans. Is that okay?
I'll take the pecan.
All right. Anything else for you tonight?
You know what? Can you put a little bit of that red velvet cake?
Why are you wearing shades indoors? Because he's a weirdo. I just feel like it. Oh, give me that. Ow. Who did this to you? I tripped and fell on my face. Liar. Don't lie to me. It's the truth. Jake Nelson punched him in the face. He's a senior. Dude, you knew about this? Oh, I know everything. Please, just stay out of this. Sure, I'll stay out of it. Had a good day at school? Hey. Why didn't Jake show up to school today? You know something, don't you? For the first time in my life, I wish I didn't. Huh?
Hey, Steve, so what'd you want to tell me earlier? Bro, she makes no sense sometimes. Are you kidding me? He really did that. Okay, you know what? Thank you. I'm gonna take care of this. Yo, bro, I gotta get off right now. He really thinks I was born yesterday, doesn't he? Get up!
Ma'am, I need to see your receipt. I paid for myself. I'm not stopping. Ma'am, receipt? Receipt? I paid for my stuff. Receipt? Receipt? You really coming after my receipt? Where's your receipt? I need to see your receipt. You don't believe that I paid for this filter. You didn't put that item in a bag. I need to see your receipt. It's a $16 filter. You really think if I'm gonna go inside Walmart, I'm gonna steal a filter? If I'm gonna steal something, it's gonna be a TV. I just have to confirm, ma'am. Calm down. Take a good look. Yep, looks good. Have a nice day. That's what I thought.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'll get the usual. Thanks. What? What's the usual? Yeah, no, I come in here every day and I just say, I'll get the usual. And that's what they give me every single time, you know? Are you new here? Is it your first day? I've never seen you before. It's your first day? Okay. Yeah, so, the usual. If you ask one of them. They're busy? Okay, yeah. No, it's a large venti iced coffee with 2 espresso shots in there, okay? Yeah, yeah, thanks. What do you say? Put my mask up? I come here every day. No one tells me anything about the mask. No one tells me a thing about the mask. What is this now? What is this? Do you want me to talk to the manager right now? I know the manager, by the way. I come in here. You don't know my order, okay? Everyone else in here knows my order. I understand it's your first day. Then you're screaming at me to put on your mask. I'm calm. I'm calm. What do you mean? I'm not going to leave right now. I'm not leaving.
What are you doing? Michael!
What?
What is this?
I'm hungry.
Okay, go eat them.
I'm hungry.
Go eat.
What do you mean?
Go eat them, Michael.
I got a snack right in front of me.
Michael, don't be gay.
I'm not trying to be gay.
Don't be gay now, Michael. Don't be gay now.
And you keep talking to me like that? Like, for real, I'm really going to
Michael,
start acting like
don't
really
be gay. Don't be gay, Michael. Don't be gay. Don't be gay.
What are you doing?
Don't be gay. Don't be gay, Mike.
What are you doing?
Michael, don't be gay. Don't be gay now. Michael, don't be gay. Don't be gay.
Me?
Yes. I'm not playing around anymore.
You violated me.
No.
You were humping the...
I'm not playing around. Listen to me closely.
About to learn y'all what we do on Super Bowl Sunday. What time them Saints play? I don't think they do. Let's get it, dude. You got your water to a rolling ball. Add all the seasonings you like. You got your fixings in there. Don't forget about them chicken wings. You got your potatoes al dente. Now add them beautiful Louisiana crawfish. I do not bring my water back to a rolling ball. When I see it start bubbling, I cut the fire. Now we wait and we hydrate. Got about 10 minutes left on my crawfish soaking. I'm gonna hit them with the mushrooms, them hot dogs, and them Brussels sprouts. Time to let them out, bub.
Hey, baby, you up? Good morning, sleepyhead. How you?
Grades haven't been too good, huh? Yeah. We'll leave you back a year. You'll have some time to figure yourself out. What about that dude? Donner, nice win yesterday. How are your grades looking like?
F, D minus, F minus.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Absolute inspiration. Better than last year, huh? Wow. You gotta be a little bit like him.
Hey, can I have some candy? I saw it laying out.
You sure can.
Sweet.
I'll let you figure out what you want. There's a lot of...
You always get a lot.
I do.
Whoa. Do you have any Reese's?
No, I don't have Reese's.
Oh, Grandma, I love Reese's. It's my favorite candy.
I'm sorry, I didn't buy any Reese's.
Grandma, please.
Well, I don't have any, Holden.
Well, I want Reese's.
Okay.
Grandma? Oh, can I have some Reese's?
Hey, I'm sorry, but I don't have any Reese's. I will buy you some, though.
Can I have some?
Maybe tomorrow?
Can I have some now?
Okay.
Psych, I lie. Your cereal is dry.
Psych, I lied. Your internet is fried.
Psych, I lied. We're going to die.
Psych, I lied. You're finding your own right.
Psych, I lied. These eggs are mine.
Psych, I lied. Everybody on the line.
Hi, my name's Brett. I'm in 8th grade, and I just like hitting door frames. Whenever I see a door, I just have the urge to hit the top of it. It's kind of like initiation with the boys. If you miss the top of a door, you are a snowflake. Every day, we hear thuds across the home. He's starting to leave marks around the house, too. I just want my boy back.
I saw that McDonald's employees were selling their Travis Scott work shirts for over $500. So since I'm a businessman, I decided to look up how to get a job at McDonald's. My plan was to get a job at McDonald's for one day and get as many Travis Scott shirts as possible. Somehow I managed to get an interview at McDonald's the same day. It went pretty well because they hired me on the spot. And they asked if I could work my first shift tomorrow. I agreed because if I got 4 Travis Scott shirts, I could make $2,000. So I practiced talking to customers with my girlfriend and gave myself a motivational speech. And the next night I went in for my first shift. I told the manager that I need a few Travis Scott shirts because I sweat a lot and I didn't want them to smell. And he told me that he didn't have any left. So I quit McDonald's in under 15 minutes.
Alright guys, I'm hoping this is my last delivery of the night because I don't think I want to deliver after this. But the customer has requested that I must bark like a dog when I get to the door or else I will not be paid. You know, I am always one for the kids and the fans. So whatever the customers ask, I shall do. And that is what I'll do because I don't want to go home empty-handed. This is gonna be a fucking hilarious ass video. Alright guys, we've arrived. I don't know if I just start barking at the front door. Fuck, this fucking sucks.
I'm sorry, but have you seen what Weetabix tweeted? Why should bread have all the fun when there's Weetabix serving up Heinz beans on Bix for breakfast with a twist? Look at the replies. Lidl, baby, you okay? You've hardly touched your Weetabix and beans. NHS, that tweet should come with a health warning. Domino's, us, pineapple on pizza is the most controversial food ever. Weetabix, hold my spoon. Nando's, you okay, hun? DMs are open if you need to talk. West Yorkshire Police, even though this is criminal, please don't ring us to report it. Sainsbury's, beans have no authority here, no authority at all. Remove Sainsbury's from chat. Due to a Weetabix adding beans to their cereal, all services will be delayed while we figure out what is happening. Specsavers, removes glasses, puts on blindfold.
This man's shining on block watch. Grody, you know I stay posted in a trap. I have to treat myself. Let me test it.
I know I'm not tripping. Y'all see this? What the fuck? Is that a baby? It's like in the movies and shit. I'm gonna get my baby. It's gonna be like how godmothers find their like fucking son or some shit. Bitch, that's a fucking baby. That's a... Yo, is that actual... Oh shit. Hold up. Bitch, I'm coming. Oh, never mind. Never... Oh.
Babe, what are you making?
Making scrambled eggs.
What are you doing with my cat?
He's my helper for today.
Chase, get out of there. Get out.
He wants to stay with me.
Get out. This is weird. Come here. No, get out.
He wants to stay with me.
Oh.
Okay, Chase, let's continue.
I just bought this phone, and there's some ridiculous apps on there. Like this one, Alabama Tracker. Like it tells you if there's somebody from Alabama in your radius so you can avoid them. There's the Joe Biden app. It gives you like 24-hour updates on him. And then there's Grindr. That's like some sort of dating app.
So did you buy this from someone?
Yes, and these apps were on here.
They didn't wipe their phone?
No.
You should just hold it down. Just delete it.
Delete?
Yes.
Easier than I thought.
Yeah. But then, well, that's the actual app.
Wait, actually, you know what? I think I'm going to keep that one.
Hello, welcome in.
Hello. Do you guys have any shoes in size 4?
Yeah, I could go check for you.
Okay, cool. I'll just wait over here.
Alright, this is what we got.
Okay. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I love them. Hey, babe, can I have your card?
Oh, yeah.
Babe. Here, can I text this real quick?
Yeah, we're actually close.
Alright, I'll take this, and then can I get a backwood as well?
A backwood? It doesn't matter. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Perfect.
It's gonna be $4.59.
$4.59. All right. Put it in.
Yeah.
Says remove it.
Let me see. Taco Bell? You serious? You can't use this.
Oh shit! Wrong card. Wrong card. Hold on. Try this one. Try this one.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. This one's kind of new for everyone.
Like that?
No. Oh, it doesn't even have a chip.
How is it?
Swipe it.
Like that?
No, kid.
What?
Swipe it like this.
Oh, my bad. Like this. Like this.
You have issues, right?
It's not working. Oh.
Prank calling ex-relationships and muting myself out.
Hello?
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 Who did he say, Gabe or Dave?
Huh?
Did you say Gabe or Dave? Who am I talking to?
Gabe?
Okay. Stop.
Who's this?
Dave Lynn?
Oh. What do you need?
I don't need anything.
Who did?
Mitch.
Oh.
So, what?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Hey Nikki, do you think you could give me a ride to work?
Fuck you said, bitch!
I said...
Bitch, I'm too busy.
But you said earlier you would give me a ride.
Damn, a bitch late for a meeting. Is the type of car that you keep a bad bitch in.
Wait, don't leave without me.
Can't stop me.
I drive. Olivia Rodrigo, wait, are you old enough to drive?
Got my driver's license last week.
Perfect. I hope I'm not too late.
I think we could do it if we tried.
You're right, Claro. Let's go.
I'm waiting for it, that green light. I'm insecure about red lights. I hear sound.
Oh no, Conan, are you okay?
I die. Crime, but
Olivia, you killed Conan Gray.
okay. I am a magician.
I die.
Thanks, Nikki.
I don't give a fuck how your opinion is invalid.